नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे सेंसेक्स के बारे में। सेंसेक्स टुडे निफ्टी 50 स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स। सेंसेक्स erased 700 PT loss on India US trade call bus gain over 200 PT as Nifty reclaims 25,750. Sensex today Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Indian equities recovered from early losses after it was announced that India and the US will continue to actively engage on trade. And the next call between the two sides is scheduled for Tuesday. Serigo Gore and Washington, newly appointed ambassador to New Delhi, said on Monday. Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Sectoral performance trends mix with banking, financial and metals showing relative strength, indicating the selective buying interest. FMCGI and PSU Bank also saw modest support. Meanwhile, weakness persisted in rally media mid-cap heavy segment and the technology, reflecting cautious statement and uneven risk appetite across the broader market. Bharat Cooking Coal IPO GMP live updates. Check the subscription status on day 2 of IPO bidding. GMP at 43% should you apply. DST investor loss has 17 lakhs crore in 6 days as Sensex slumps 2,700 PTS. Nifty sneak 3%. What's driving the sellout? Trump tariff and the murky US-India trade outlook. President Phil selling substitute global cues. Crude oil headwinds, weak technical signals. Global market updates. S&P 500 future fell 0.6% as of 3:20 p.m. Tokyo time. Nikkei 225 future USE rose 3.4%. S&P ASX 200 future were little since Hong Kong Hang Seng rose 1.3%. The Shanghai Composite rose 1.1%. Euro Stock 50 future with little sense.